Let's start wireless setup on your brother machine. First, confirm that your wireless router or access point is set up. Find out your SSID, or the name of your wireless network, and your wireless network key. You may have to ask your network administrator or internet provider. Now let's use the CD-ROM to establish a wireless network connection between your computer and the brother machine. Place the brother machine as close to the router as possible. Confirm the machine is turned on. Insert the CD-ROM to the CD-ROM drive of your PC. If the autoplay window pops up, click Run Start.exe. Select your product. Select Language. Click Install MFL Pro Suite. If you agree with the terms and conditions, click Yes. Select Yes and click Continue. If you agree with the terms and conditions, click Yes. Choose Wireless Network Connection without checking Custom Install. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Connect your machine and printer using the USB cable. Confirm that your wireless connection is OK and select Checked and Confirmed. Click Next. Click Next. Disconnect the USB cable. If the Wi-Fi LED on the machine's control panel and the wireless signal indicator on the home screen light up, you have completed wireless setup on your brother machine. You have completed the wireless setup. Click Next to continue installing drivers and software. Choose your brother machine that you want to install and click Next. The drivers and software installation starts. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the installation.